How to log into DirecTV account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on login into your DirecTV account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in directtv.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of DirecTV. Here on this page, locate the sign in button. And once you hover your mouse over there, a drop-down menu will appear, asking you to select either Watch Now or Account Overview. Click on Watch Now option, and this will take you directly to the login portal, from where you need to first enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this link of Forgot User ID and follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve it. And if you don't have a user ID yet, and if you also haven't created an account, click on this link of Don't Have a User ID, Create One Now, and follow the on-screen instructions. After entering the username, click on the Continue button, and a password section will appear where you have to enter the correct form of your password by typing it correctly. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, click on this link to reset your password. And now click on the sign in button highlighted in blue color, and this way you will be successfully logged into your DirecTV account. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.